Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear brothers and sisters, today I want to say something about the family issues and family problems. According to my observation and the couples who have asked me about their problems, let me say the conflict between wife and husbands are on rise. Dear friends, the causes and factors of family problems in our society are different. And let me to say that unfortunately many couples are unaware about the basic principles of their life, of their married life. My dear brothers and sisters, one of the most important principles in our life is the trust of husband and wife on each other in married life. But as long as there is no trust in family, and in result conflict will not diminish. In second stage, I want to say about the trust. What is the meaning of trust? Or what is the meaning of trust in married life? Inshallah, my dear friends, I will explain in next short clip. Please stay with me, subscribe my channel, and also forward the message for your friends. Thanks and goodbye. God bless you.